Imagine your future 10 or 20 years from now. Are you living your dream life, traveling the world, or enjoying financial freedom? Or are you drowning in debt, wondering why you didn't start sooner? The truth is, what you do right now in your 20s can shape your entire future. And no, this isn't just about saving money, it's about using your 20s as a financial launchpad to get ahead of 99% of people. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 critical steps every 22 to 25-year-old needs to know before starting to invest. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to set yourself up for financial success. Warning: missing these steps could cost you decades of financial growth. Here's the most important thing to understand: the earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of the magic of compound interest. Think of it like this: every dollar you invest today has the potential to grow into $10, $20, or even $50 in the future. Let's look at the numbers. According to an article from CNBC, if you invest just $100 a month starting at 22, and it grows at an average of 8% per year, you'll have over $400,000 by age 60. But if you wait until 30, you'll have only $200,000. That's half, just because you delayed 8 years. Think about that for a second. 8 years of waiting could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Time is your most valuable asset, don't waste it. Start early. Let time work for you. Before you even think about investing, you need to build a solid financial foundation. Why? Because investing is a long game, and emergencies will happen. Imagine you've put all your money into stocks, and suddenly, your car breaks down or you lose your job. Without an emergency fund, you'll be forced to sell your investments, possibly at a loss. Start by saving 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in an emergency fund. And don't forget to create a budget. Apps like Mint or Anapp can help you track your spending and make sure you're living within your means. Checklist before investing: budget, emergency fund, expense tracking. Here's where most people mess up: they invest without a plan. You need to ask yourself, why am I investing? Is it for retirement, a house, or just to grow my wealth over time? If your goal is long-term, like retirement, you can afford to take more risks with investments like stocks or index funds. But if your goal is short-term, like saving for a down payment, you'll want safer options like bonds or high-yield savings accounts. According to the Wall Street Journal, clearly defining your goals not only helps you choose the right investments but also prevents emotional decisions during market downturns. Here's the thing: you don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Stash let you start with as little as $5. The key isn't how much you invest, it's how consistent you are. Even small contributions grow over time, thanks to compound interest. Think of it like watering a plant. If you water it every day, it'll grow into something amazing. But if you forget, it'll wither away. Here's a golden rule: never invest in something you don't understand. Learn the basics, like the difference between stocks and bonds, how ETFs work, and what risk tolerance means. According to a study by Forbes, financially literate investors are less likely to panic during market crashes and more likely to see long-term gains. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, hit the like button and comment below with your biggest investing question. I'd love to help you out. Here's the most overlooked rule: patience. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a marathon. Even Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world, made most of his money after 50. The lesson? Let time do the heavy lifting. Think of your investments as a gift to your future self. Every dollar you invest today is one step closer to freedom and peace of mind. So here's your roadmap: build your financial foundation, define your goals, start small, educate yourself, and above all, stay patient. Follow these steps, and your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tips and strategies. Don't wait, take action today. Because every day you delay is a missed opportunity. If you enjoy the content we create and want to dive deeper into topics that spark your curiosity, subscribing to our channel is the best way to stay connected. Each video is crafted with care, packed with insights, tips, and stories that not only entertain but also inform. By subscribing, you join a community of like-minded individuals who share your passion for learning and exploration. Plus, you'll be the first to know when we release new content that could inspire your next project or simply brighten your day. So, hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this journey together.